Check out this delicious recipe for scrumptious carrot cakes. Start by mixing vegetable oil and sugar in a mixer. Blend well. Next, add eggs and mix until smooth. Incorporate all the dry ingredients: flour, baking soda, baking powder, and cinnamon. Once the batter is well combined, fold in grated carrots and chopped walnuts. Stir everything together until homogeneous. Pour the batter into 8-inch round pans. Bake for 40-45 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. For the frosting, whip together cream cheese, heavy cream and sugar. Start at low speed, then gradually increase, whipping for 3 to 4 minutes until the frosting is thick and stable. Slice the cooled cakes into 4 layers and assemble. Chill the cake overnight and decorate as desired. I chose chocolate drips and fresh berries. Delicious. Check the description for full details.